Forget the tree hugging because you're going to be hugging 18 pounds of gold.
He's so good.
The world's greatest heavyweight wrestling champion, woo, of all time. And I got George, woo, White Houses all over the place. I got White Houses in Mobile, Alabama. I got White Houses in, woo, Montrose, Alabama. I got White Houses in Biloxi, Mississippi, Phoenix City, Alabama, Utah, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia. I got White Houses, woo, all over this great country. And guess what? I take my planes, I take my limousines, I take my, woo, friends with their alligator shoes that I bought. I spend more money on spilled liquor than Hillary Clinton spent on her campaign.